gonna be messing with this plasma cutter today a little bit. Downloaded some of these files from Etsy, paid for them, and was able to download, put them in sheet cam, did some messing around with them. Hopefully they work, but I gotta test it. So I haven't had much time to test because I work and then I come home, watch the baby. Of course, she can't be out here while I'm doing any of this. So I'm gonna go ahead, get a program loaded and use the 10 gauge steel that I have over there and do some test cuts on that. Make sure it's good before I put this 1/4 inch plate. I had a local shop there, Triberry Incorporated, you check them out. I had them shear me a piece of 4 foot by 3 foot 1/4 inch steel rather than trying to buy a whole sheet. That way I can just put it on the table, it's not hanging out, I don't have to mess with it because it's pretty heavy right now. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's get to it. I also bought a adapter from I think it's 1430 male to 650 or 550 because my plugs are all like this and my generator has a spot for the 4-prong. So I'm hoping that I can hook the plasma cutter up and hook the air compressor up on different circuits, and I'm really hoping they will run together, because if they don't, I'm gonna have to find an auxiliary air tank. So that one goes into there. This is my, boom, I got that one, and then this one, I should be able to run air compressor. Get her fired up. On a 9/16 hole. Not a lot of dross on this at all. So I'm confident.
Okay, so we got these all cut out. Wasn't paying attention. The holes aren't perfect. I've been wanting to buy an annular cutter or something that was carbide to clean up holes, etc. Because I knew these holes are going to get hardened when you cut them. And I noticed there's a little bit on these. There's a little bit of a taper on one of them. Just maybe you can see it here. The tapers on the left side is wider than the right side. So I bought this sheet. This is where we're at. We made a bunch of mistakes. Thought I could fit one here. I thought I could fit here. And messed that up. I was trying to nest here, and plasma cutter and air compressor can't run at the same time. Found that out, tripped out. Tried making space there in the back. What happened is one of these screws back here is worn out, or it's got something in it. And it cut fine, it come around, and about right here it skipped. And then it went too far and cut. On this side, this one here, I jogged. This piece was actually supposed to be here. I jogged it, I zeroed it, and then I was like, oh, you know what? That's not right. So I jogged it, and I didn't check it. So as it went to drill holes, I noticed this was the last hole. Well, the last hole is about here. Same thing right here. So this would have been up in here. I still have some material left. I don't know, approximately about 16 inches here. So I could do a straight cut on that if I wanted, but if I do a coil bucket, if I was to do the coil bucket right, this, let's see, we need 4, so we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 tops. We'd have about, let's say a 2x4 section if we were good. I did manage to cut these out. Haven't dressed them up. This is for a panhard bar in the frame. Got these tabs here, and these would come up something like so. Weld to the frame. So yeah, that's where we're at. So thanks for checking this one out. Get in on the giveaway. Try to post it in the video. Make sure you check out all those people up there on the board too. And yeah, catch you on the next one. See ya.